welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe this is the first time I've actually sat down to film a sit down video in like 5 months. It's madness, but I am also very sorry how late this video is. My life has just been so busy. I have not had a chance to sit down, and I'm really happy that I'm now getting fully back into YouTube with the vlogs. I'm going to be getting back in with the main videos. I'm just getting back. I'm getting back, getting my life back together. It's all going well, but I did still ask if people wanted to see this because it was going to be so late compared to everyone else's uploads, and people were like, no, yeah, we still want to see it, please still film it. So that's what I'm going to do. I have filmed this every single year since I've done YouTube, I'm pretty sure. I love watching these videos. I'm a very nosy person, so I love to see what other people got gifted for Christmas. However, I understand not everyone likes this kind of video, so if you don't like this kind of video, if you don't want to see what I was gifted, just click off, don't watch it, don't put yourself through that. But yeah, there's no negativity. I'm not bragging, I'm not boasting. I literally was not supposed to get anything this year because we said no presents this year, but I still got some amazing lovely bits, so I'm really, really grateful. Obviously, I'm not going to say thank you after every single one because everyone knows who's got me something. I've said thank you, I've shown my gratitude. This is just to show you what I've got, to share with you all nosy people, because trust me, I appreciate the nosiness. So without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to start with the things that I got from my old job because that's what sort of is the majority of this video, to be honest. So one of the gifts that I got this Prosecco gift set. So you get a bottle of, I can't pronounce the name of that, Chianti, the Italian wine style, Chianti Prosecco, and truffles. And I absolutely love this gift set. I think the gift sets they do for Christmas are absolutely amazing. And it's just milk Prosecco truffles, which I'm actually going to have tonight. Now I haven't opened, now I filmed this video, because honestly, I have needed to film this video for so long. I've got so many nice things in here that I wanted to use. I'm like, no, I've got to wait till I film the video. So yeah, I'm really excited to use. I got this gift bag. The gift bag is so cute. I'm definitely going to reuse this. So yeah, and inside I was shocked by the gifts I got here. This was very, very generous. I was not expecting it whatsoever. So I got a really nice card, which is very cute. I always keep things like that. And then I got the Aromic Body Butter from Neil's Yard Remedies, Covent Garden. Yeah, these are very bougie, very generous presents that I received. It smells amazing. Honestly, I cannot wait to try this. But yeah, I'm very excited. I'm not necessarily a big body butter kind of fan, but this makes me just want to lather my whole body in it. Marked champagne truffles in a really cute little box, and I'm going to keep the box once I've eaten these. Lightly dusted pink truffles with a milk chocolate butter and marked champagne centre. Me and Mum are going to share these while watching Gogglebox at some point because they're very cute, and I'm going to put them in the cupboard once I film this video. But yeah, I opened these presents and I was like, this is beyond generous. Like, I don't see what I've done to deserve these, but I'm grateful nonetheless. And then, this is a brand I've heard so much about, but once again, never tried it. Cowshed Mood Discovery Set. So, I've got a set of 5 mini shower gels, but they're different sort of, like, what's the word? They've got different sort of properties and different sort of, like, actions. So, you've got an active, invigorating bath and shower gel, replenish, uplifting bath and shower gel, indulge, blissful bath and shower gel, awake, bracing bath and shower gel, and relax, calming bath and shower gel. With all sorts of different sort of like scents, and I'm really excited to try this because everyone knows I love a good pamper session, which I'm now getting more into, so I can get through these products. And once again, I'll let you know what I think about them, but I was really, really grateful when I opened all these. I was like, I'm grateful for anything, but obviously the presents that take a lot of thought and effort are even more special. So yeah, it was very, very kind. And of my former colleagues, were very generous of her. She got me this Jack Wills little makeup bag, and then T called me, I do apologise. However, inside it looks like this, and there was this really cool facial brush, which I haven't actually got in here because it's in my skincare drawer, but I will do an overlay clip of it. But yeah, this is really, really cute, and it was very generous of her, and it's just going to be perfect for putting in a handbag, like lip balms and like pocket mirror and stuff like that. So I really, really love that. And then I got, from someone else from my old job, I got this really cute little hanging decoration. I'm not sure if it's meant for Christmas. Probably is, yeah, all I want for Christmas sort of decoration, but I'm going to hang it all year round because it's just really, really sweet. So yeah, I absolutely love that. I love things like this, honestly, they're just so cute and rustic. Is 3 gifts from another person, another family. So I've got this cracker set of Essie nail polish. Cute is this little gift set though. Also got me the Grow Mask Hemp Coconut and Shea Butter Umberto Gianni, I don't know, caffeine hair mask basically, and it smells like absolute heaven. I can never get the lid off. Oh my god, it literally smells like chocolate. I think that might be the cocoa in it, but that's what it looks like. It's like a pinky colour, and I'm really into my hair care now. I've been experimenting with so many different products, and I cannot wait to try this. But it just says, boost hair growth and transform a sluggish scalp and dry, lifeless hair into luscious, strong and long locks. Perfect for dry, damaged and chemically treated hair to grow longer, stronger hair faster. And then it's got a list of what the products inside it do to your hair, so I will show an up close of that because I can't be bothered to read all that out, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm really, really excited to try this. I've never tried a hair mask before. If you're wondering, it is cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. So yeah, it literally ticks every box for most people. And if you're looking for a new hair mask, then, you know, I'll let you know what I think of it. But if you're looking for a new one that, like, covers all those aspects and has got all, like, natural products in, this one may be for you. A Gilly Hicks by Hollister Have a Blast Volcanic Ash Bubble face mask. Now this excites me no end. I used to buy face mask after face mask but never use them, so I used to give them away, whereas these kind of masks excite the crap out of me because I love charcoal kind of base thing, so volcanic ash, you know, and bubble. I have not tried a bubble face mask, so I'll definitely be testing this in a vlog because it just really excites me. I'm just like bubbles, like the feeling of it, you know. Got this really cute lip balm set by The Body Shop, and it opens up like this and it's like that. Get the watermelon, satsuma shimmer, raspberry, passion berry, which is my favourite one and always has been, and then you get strawberry, which is like a go-to. Now I've heard amazing things about the Body Shop shampoos, change the subject sort of, so if you've tried Body Shop shampoos, let me know in the comments what you think about them, because I know they're supposed to be amazing and I want to switch up my hair products, you know, use a variety of different ones. Bag, which is from my boyfriend. So as you can tell, there was something from Boo Avenue gifted to me from my boyfriend, which I was very grateful for, but it is currently in the wash bin. It is a lace bodysuit. It is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love it. I did choose it, and I did go with T, who did all the Christmas shopping for me, well, for me from him. He gave her the money and we went in and I picked some stuff, but she sort of chose it as she wanted to. Like she got me to choose some stuff and then she chose what she wanted to get me. So yeah, he then surprised me when we were round at T's house with all our friends with a surprise present. To say I broke down would be an understatement. Like, obviously happiness, but I was so surprised, and the fact that obviously everyone was looking at me and I was like, oh my goodness. So this necklace, I don't know how well you can see it, but this is a Pandora necklace. So he surprised me with a Pandora bag. This is the box it came in. Just found this, actually. It can go in here instead of my essentials box. Yeah, he surprised me with this. He had this planned. He already had this planned before he got me the rest of my stuff. And I was like, oh my god, he picked it out himself, which I'm really impressed with. You know, boys' taste can sometimes be a bit off, but he nailed it. And then he asked T just for clarification, like, do you think she'll like it? And she was like, yes. And as soon as she saw my reaction, she went, I told you she'd like it. So yeah, he really spoiled me. Like, I was not expecting this whatsoever. So yeah, thank you. I love you very much. Now, on the stuff in the bag. So he also got me the Spectrum Cosmic Collection set. So you get a mirror, you get a sponge, and you get a kabuki brush. I love the packaging. Like, the packaging to start with is just absolutely gorgeous. And I also love Spectrum, like, brushes. I think they're absolutely amazing. So I'm very excited to give these a go. I was like, him and T did the wrapping, you know. I got a Primark plumping sheet mask, but because he cut two pieces together, I can get them off now. But because he stuck two pieces of thing together, it made it very, very hard to get the wrapping paper off. A few like face masks. So I got the Primark plumping sheet mask, which I'm really excited to try. I got some more soothing eye patches, which are amazing. I've used these many a time before. And then this, which I didn't see T pick up, which is a Harry Potter sheet mask. It does look kind of terrifying. However, it's just a novelty that I'm going to have a Harry Potter face mask on my face. It's going to be amazing. I then got some like candy and stuff. I got a brain liquor, which is one of my favourite things. And then I got some cola super loud popping action candy from Mr. Sims. So just like as extra little bits and pieces. I did get some makeup based products, which of course, you know, it fills my heart with so much joy. So the bits I got from Primark, I got this double shading brush, perfect for applying eyeshadow, and I'm also going to use this for like carving out my brows and stuff. I got this mini set of travel brushes, which is going to really come in handy for future holidays planned this year. And also this, because my brushes, if you know me, you know my brushes are grim. So this is a solid brush cleaner, which just gives me no excuse. You open it like that, and it's there. So I've got no excuse. So I need to clean my brushes sometime this week when I finish in the evenings. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. However, this is probably up there with one of my favourite presents. It's the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Elixir Glow. Now, those are the colours you get. I swatched this in Superdrug. I fell in love, and he was like, yeah, you've got to have that. Because I love highlight. Highlight is one of my favourite makeup products. Everyone knows I love a standout, glowy from within and bright highlighter. And this is that. And also, I love the packaging. It's super cute, and they have really good mirrors in these. So if you're going to a hotel or you're going on holiday, this is a perfect mirror even to do the rest of your face of makeup. But in my opinion anyway, from my experience. But yeah, I will be able to use both those highlighters, even though that one's more of a pinky toned. It's an icy pinky tone, so it will work well with other highlighters I've got. I wouldn't necessarily wear it on its own, but I have got my options. So yeah, I am very grateful. He spoilt me, and I love him anyway, but these presents were very, very well thought about. And from my family, I got a few bits that wasn't expected whatsoever. If you watch my Christmas Day vlog, you'll know that. So one of my presents was this hat. I've never saluted bobble hats before, but I really like it. I do look like an egg with hats on, let's just excuse that. But I love the pom-pom, absolutely love this. I got so many practical presents. I got gloves, I've got a scarf, I got hats, but I also did get some other bits and pieces. So I opened a box, had a bit of Blue Avenue, didn't it? I was like, right, okay. And this includes underwear, and also M&S underwear as well. But the Blue Avenue underwear that I've got, basically, I love Brazilians. Gonna put it out there for the girls watching this. So just a quick sort of like, you know, there we go, done, sorted. I'm not really going into detail about what underwear I got for Christmas, but that is that. And I will be keeping the box, because when I've organised under my bed, which is an absolute pigsty, I am doing a video based on that, because I've been asked to be used, like, to organise stuff, because it's a nice box, why waste it? Bag, which also I will be reusing. I also got gifted £20, and I got a Next gift card, which I was so worried I lost, but I haven't, thank the Lord, which is of a value of £15, and I'm really grateful. I've never shopped in Next before, so I'm very excited to spend that, and I put it towards something proper. I'm not going to waste it. So yeah, that's that. And then I've got my millions in here that I completely forgot about, and my grandma got me something. Now this is definitely my favourite present that I've got, because it's the most thoughtful, and it's the one that means most, and it calls close to home. She got me this, and honestly, I actually feel like I could cry talking about it now, like I did on Christmas Day. So it's a candle holder, and she got me this, obviously for to keep safe, you know, because knowing me, I'd burn my room down. It says, memories of a special grandfather will live on in our hearts and minds forever. And this just means, not gonna cry, Lily, no. This means so much to me. I don't think any of you could fully understand, and this tops every present I've got, because it's not about the materialistic things, it's about the things that really mean everything, and this means everything. And the fact that she got this for me just means so very much, and it's just, you know, blue was one of his favourite colours as well, so literally just everything about this, just, yeah, it makes me feel very happy. And then you turn, obviously you can't really see it with the, and I absolutely love it. I know she'll be watching this, so thank you, Grandma. I love you very much, and I know he would love this as well. That is everything for my What I Got for Christmas 2019. I hope you enjoyed it. It's still just as long as any of my other what I got for Christmas is, but you know what? I love to ramble, I love to chat, and I have not sat down to film a video for you lot in a very long time. So keep your eyes peeled for all my future content. I've got so much planned. I'm well and truly back. Nothing's going to stop me now. The vlogs are coming at you, these main videos are coming at you, and I've got declutters planned, makeup declutters, which I know is very popular. I've got more hauls planned, I've got more trips planned. It's going to be a jam-packed year. It's my year this year. I'm bloody determined to make it that anyway. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support and sticking by me and just cutting me some slack. It's been greatly appreciated. And I will see you in my next vlog or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye.